Hi, everyone. This is Cindy Kelly. I'm a two-star crown with Purium Health Products, and I've been with the company for 7.5 years. I came from the corporate world. For those of you that don't know my background, I am a numbers person. I used to build businesses, managing sales organizations, and using reports to do it. So with Purium, I actually do the exact same thing. We have a really incredible back office system. When you join as a brand partner, you get access to all kinds of reports to help you manage your organization, to see the growth of your business up, down, orders that are coming in, just all kinds of tools to help you be able to lead your team into having massive success. So, what I want to do is show you some of these tools and show you what my favorite tools are and how to use them. I'm going to do a screen share with you. All right, so this is what your dashboard, your front screen of your back office looks like. I'm going to kind of go over the 9 reports that are here. Also, there's a guide. It's called the Back Office Guide in the business blog. So if you want to read about them, if you're somebody that likes to read and have a document, that is available for you as well. So here's the front screen. The first report on the top left is the dashboard. The dashboard is going to give you some of the highlights, such as the current numbers in your organization for your sales, for your personal volume, what you've ordered that month, and just a couple of the basics. But to view more, you're going to achieve, or you're going to click on View Unilevel Team. This is the most comprehensive report that we have. Pretty much everything that you could ever want is on this report. So let's go through a little bit here, but again, there's a lot. So if you notice, I'm scrolling left and right just to show you there are a lot of different columns, and you can actually drag columns around and move them. If you're trying to see some data, one thing next to another, you can move them. There's a couple different ways that you can sort, which I find to be really, really helpful. And I can show you this with any column, but let's just use the smart order, for example. Do you see how right here, there's a little circle and it's clickable, and then there's the title, which is also clickable. So I'm going to click smart order by title. And what that is going to do is it's going to sort the amount of the smart order lowest to highest and then highest to lowest, depending on if you click it once or twice. When you do that, you're going to see that the highest smart orders are 130, and then it goes to 50, and then 0. Okay, again, this is a dummy account, so there's not a ton of variance on here, but you get the point. So once you click another column, let's say now I want to know the time they last ordered. So once I click that, everything here is going to go back to the order based on the new sort. So it's not going to hold the data. Now, so as you can see, it's kind of staggered all over the place because it's going off of last order. But now, if you use this little button and you do greater than or equal to, let's say I do 100, filter, then the only ones that will remain are the ones that are over that. And at that point, if I were to sort by last order date, this is going to hold the data. So you're sorting back and forth of what you've got there. So this will stay unless you go in and actually clear it, or if you get out of the report, and then it will go back. So that is the case for all columns. There's 2 ways to sort. But the things that you'd probably use this the most commonly for are to see the order of your group volume, to see the last order. Over here, if you kind of scroll over, I'll give you a little tip. There's a couple columns here that say rank, and then there's paid rank, and there's an ID number next to them. So rank, rank ID, paid rank, and paid rank ID. The reason that there's an ID is if you want to sort based on the level, not based on the name, right? So like if you're sorting based on paid rank and you've got a diamond that starts with the letter D, but you've got an executive that's an E, like it's not going to sort in order. But if you use the code for each rank, this will put them in order based on the position. So there's a column for both of those. For the most part, I think they're pretty self-explanatory, but again, it's really, really thorough and a lot of information. It should be your go-to report for everything. Okay, number two, this is going to show you this month versus last month. So this is going to give you a plus or minus. Are you up? Are you down? If it's red, you're down. If it's green, you're up. And then when you click view full group volume, you're going to be able to see the same thing for your entire organization. So this month versus last month, you can actually go here and you can see the percent difference as well. Click that. So for example, Debbie Diamond is 3% in the red, and that this is the actual dollar amount of her difference. Okay, rank advancement. This is going to show you on the dashboard how close you are to the next rank. And then the view rank advancement details are going to show you what you specifically need, not only for the current rank, but for any rank that you're looking to see. So I just clicked blue diamond. I'm 4% to blue diamond. Here's what I have. Here's what I don't have. And then there are lifestyle and pool bonuses at each rank, and it will let you know if you're qualified or not as well. Okay. All right, so that sums up round row one. Row two is going to show you some different things. This is going to show you the new brand partners, new customers, and new ranks achieved. So new brand partners, the little dash is going to show you the most recent brand partners, but when you click the report, it'll take you to all brand partners. So this is going to isolate those people in your organization, not just your personal, but your entire organization that are partners. And it will start at the top based on the most recent date. When you go to new customers, you're actually going to see the exact same thing. View all customers. They're going to start with the most recent. These are your customers, not your brand partners. So this way you can see separate a brand partner report, new customer report, same information. All right, number 6, new ranks achieved. So this is going to show you the most recent ranks achieved in your organization. And somebody can absolutely appear twice in a row in this report. If they go one rank right to the next, you're going to see right here, Bobby Jones achieved the rank of director and Bobby Jones achieved the rank of consultant. So every rank achieved will be listed in this report. It's going to have the most recent at the top, but if you're trying to find a specific thing, you can of course do the sorting in this report as well. It's going crazy. Hit name, go to the search, is equal to, well, let's just say I don't know, but I know it has Bobby in it. Filter, see I said is equal to, it's not equal to, contains, there we go, Bobby Jones. So you can see the ranks for anybody by the name of Bobby. All right. Now let's move to the final 3. View Google Sheets. That's going to be access to actual documents that Purium has, live documents. So click all of these. They're amazing and super helpful. Next is commissions. The front screen is going to show you your monthly and as well as 5 weekly checks. So the most recent 6 commission checks are going to show there. And then when you click view commission, and actually depending on where the timeline falls, it could be 2 monthlies mixed in there as well. So it's a total of 6 checks, the 6 most recent checks. So if you go here and you scroll down, you can see a pie chart of where the money is coming from. Now, go down a little further and you see this little arrow, click that and you can get a breakdown in writing. So if you're ever wondering when you get a commission, did I get paid on this? Did this get paid on the last one, the next one, or you're getting confused, the breakdown's here for you on everything that you do. And you can do the same thing on any commission check that you've ever received, pie chart, scroll down, and you can look at what is on there. Super helpful. Lastly, upcoming rank advancements. So these are rank advancements that are coming up on your team, not just personal, but anybody. So Eddie Executive is 93% to promoting builder. Now, Eddie could be a diamond in the organization. What this is saying is he's 93% to achieving builder this month. And then this view upcoming rank advancement report will show you everyone and the percent complete, okay? Now, so that's your dashboard. Now you've got a couple things on the top here I'm gonna go over with you. When you click this little house, that's always gonna take you right back home. iLearn is going to take you to our training platform, which has a ton of amazing information. If you have not gotten super familiar with iLearn, please do. Personal reports. Now, those are going to be the reports relevant to you. Some of them are on the dashboard, some are not. Commissions, those are your personal commissions. Rank advancement, that's this one that we went over right here. Then you've got volumes. That's going to show your volume every month you've been with the company, your month end volume. And that's really nice to see your trends. And then loyal customers, those are your personal customers so that you can reach out and keep in touch with all of your customers. Now let's scoot over to team reports. There's a lot here, starting with the unilevel, which we talked about as the most comprehensive one. But there's also a bunch of reports that show the personally enrolled team, that show our promotions, our specials, just different ways of managing your entire organization. So make sure you get familiar with all of those. And then orders, that's where you can look at your order history. Shop is where you would shop. Smart order is, of course, your monthly order. And then over here where you'll see the name, this is where you could change your account settings. And lastly, right here, you've got 2 live buttons to live chat or submit a request to customer care. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. That was kind of a quick tutorial on the back office. I know there's a lot more. There's so much that you can actually learn and study. Check the back office guide if you've got a specific question on how to use a specific report, because it will tell you like what each report is used for. But I hope this was really helpful and that it helps you guys kind of dig a little bit deeper into your back office and use the amazing tools and resources that Purium has provided for us. So thank you so much for tuning in. Bye, everyone.